I wanna show you how to make lighting effect to video in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. And of course you need to have the solid video clip to get a better result. So first of all you need to duplicate your video clip, just holding Alt and dragging the clip above. Following, move your timeline to the point where you want that your effect will start. Press Ctrl K to make the cut. Next, go to the effects and write Extract. Drag your extract effect to your video clip on the right. Go to the effects control and under the extract you need to play with the values of black and white input. You have to get the white outlines. Then, under the opacity, switch the blend mode to screen. Then, go back again to the effects and write VR Glow. Add the VR Glow effect to your video clip, all the time on the right. Return to the effects control and set the glow radius to 300 and glow brightness to 10. Check the option of Use Tint Color, and under the color you can select the color that you like. Everything is ready, let's see the result. How to grow this channel? Put your like and subscribe.